Hello, I'm attorney Derrick G. Hamlin, and on this week's episode of Art, Health, and Healing, I'll be showing you some of my art, some of the art that I use to help me get through my days. Alright, so this first piece is a tribute to Prince, and it's made by an artist named Gabrielle Green, and as you can see, it's puzzle pieces, and it's amazing. It's acrylic on canvas. Another one of the things I love that keeps me motivated is just black women and black culture, and this piece was done by an artist named Wendy who lives in Vegas, and she's amazing. Every piece of art in here inspires me in a different way. This blue piece reminds me of like a scenic ocean scene. I love how the colors run together. It's amazing. This is Ray Lewis, my favorite player. I love this guy. I look at this picture when I need to get pumped. You know what I mean? When I'm trying to get up for trial. And this koi fish. The koi fish symbolizes life. Sometimes I'll use koi fish in a yin and yang symbol. And when I look at that, same thing. It gives me that sense of serenity and peace and life. And all my art inspires me. And that's part of the reason I'm an art collector. And art is healing.